Meron kaming tours ng 10 o'clock, 3 o'clock, at 8 o'clock. Meron kaming Che Guevara.
Cheberico.
Welcome sa aming YouTube channel. Enjoy! We've been walking for more than 2 hours and it's very interesting. The tour guide tells stories about the history of the buildings, about the streets, about the fortresses. May difference siya from the normal Western influenced countries and it has similarities sa history ng Pilipinas din. We found a bakery for Cubans. Yung parang nirarasyon na tinapay.
Oh, ang lambot. Pandesal. I mean, parang ganun.
No? Pan de suave? Ah, si.
Pan suave. 1 Cuban peso. Sobrang mura. Non-tourist na food. Parang pandesal. Asa lang peanut butter.
Saan yun? Mantikilya?
Mantikilya.
Ah, si.
Pan.
Ayan, ang dami na niyang kinain today.
Pero gutom ako.
We just finished lunch and ngayon papunta dapat kami sa Havana Rum Museum kung saan makikita namin kung paano ginagawa yung rum and matututo din dapat kaming gumawa ng famous cocktails ng Havana such as Daiquiri, Cuba Libre, and Mojito. Kaya lang, sarado siya. And ito yung entrance. Ewan kung ba't nililinis. Nakalagay, we're facing electrical issues. Siguro dahil sa mga ulan, nawalan silang kuryente. So, wala kaming tour. That's a good 2 hours sana na time na gagawin namin to learn about the rum of Havana. But, here's the consequence of being a poor country with a poor infrastructure. Everything is dated here so far. Cubans are getting by. They're doing well for themselves. However, because of the US embargo, definitely may impact yon. Sama mo pa dun yung pag-pull out ng USSR nung Russia during the 90s and most definitely money is not coming in as fast as it should. They're not as rich and they don't have enough funds. So yung mga infrastructure, it takes a lot of time to restore and to repair. But this is a very resilient nation as far as I can see. Yung experience nila, they'd rather die than be colonized again, than be a puppet government, than be under the control of a foreign nation. That's what I feel. In fact, kinikwento sa amin nung guide kanina, ang national bird nila goes by the name of Togororo. Ang Togororo ay isang ibon daw na hindi mo makukulong. Pag kinulong mo daw siya, ang gagawin niya, ibabangga niya ng ibabangga yung ulo niya sa hawla hanggang either makawala siya or mamatay siya. And that's how Cubans see themselves, at least as far as what our tour guide has said. They'd rather die than be conquered. So here they are, surviving. Pero ramdam mo talaga yung hirap ng buhay. You can sense it. Although they get by, may rasyon ng pagkain, free medicine, free education, free hospitalization. The basic necessities are met. Kaya lang the rest probably are not. Last week lang, Trump issued an embargo against cruise ships that are based in America. Nagkaroon na naman sila ng bagong rule against Cuba and this will hurt the country even more. Buti na lang pala, in 2008, they started becoming open to private investments, to entrepreneurs. So makikita mo sa area, may marami ng private restaurants na before government-owned lang. Maraming out of their homes, nagtitinda ng pagkain, nagtitinda ng souvenirs dito sa Havana. They're starting to earn money for themselves. And hindi sila limited sa rasyon ng government.
Ahora aquel, mira, gorila.
Thank you, gracias!
De nada.
Buti na hindi kami natalo. Kasi nung umpisa, muntik na.
Ang friendly ng mga tao dito, naglalakad lang kami tapos si Joy niyaya nilang maglaro ng dominoes.
As in, kina-coach na ako, hindi ka naman may sinundan. Tuturo lang niya eh.
Imagine na, ang average salary daw ng Cuban person na nag-work under a state-owned corporation, kumikita lang daw ng average of 25 CUC a month. That is roughly 1,300 pesos a month. Having said that, I think may ways naman ang gobyerno para ma-offset yung basic necessities. Sobrang mura ng pagkain, tinapay, and supplies. But imagine 1,300 pesos a month. It's not that much. Mas malaki pa ang kinikita ng tourist guide dahil or anyone from the tourism sector kasi nabubuhay sila sa mga tips. So mas marami silang kinikita. So people here want to learn English, want to learn Chinese, want to learn Korean. so they can work in the tourism industry and earn a bit more money from themselves. Apart from that, pwede ka rin gumawa ka ng private investment, magtayo ka ng casa particulares or apartment na pwedeng pagstayan ng mga turista or restaurants. Enough about that. Kasagsagan ng init ng araw. We'll head back to our Airbnb to rest up, charge our batteries, and then be ready to go again later. Ciao! We're back in the streets of Havana. Meron kaming free nightlife tour by Strawberry Tours mamayang alas 8. Pero ngayon 6:55, we figured kailangan naming kumain muna ng dinner. Otherwise, babagsak kami sa isang mojito lang. The nightlife scene is starting to come alive. Bawat kanto may naririnig na kaming live Cuban music, so it should be interesting. This is live music. You hear it? Start na yung tour. A lot of thirsty people, around 28.
24.
24, okay. 24 participants dito sa free tour. Ang first stop namin is a bar called Serra. And katulad ng sinabi ko, magta-try kami ng 3 different drinks, Daiquiri, Canchancharra, at
Mojito! My favorite!
Plus, excited si Joy kasi meron daw.
Salsa!
Ayoko. Interesting conversations with people, and we are having our first drink. It's a pineapple daiquiri para sa akin.
I got natural daiquiri. It's a lime and I don't know, it's sweet. It's really nice.
And it's nice. We get to speak with different travelers with different experiences. It's a nice social evening. I'm actually ruining it by talking here. La Reliquia. Still in Old Town Havana, and this time we're gonna have Canchancharra. Uminom na kami ng La Canchancharra.
Daiquiri for second drink.
Sobrang honey-based. Ang dilim-dilim na dito kasi sobrang gabi na, madilim yung bar. Ano na nagagawa yun? Tapos lang nung second bar na pinuntahan namin, masarap yung drink. After noon, nagkaroon ng basic dance lesson on salsa. Sumayaw si Joy, ako hindi.
Sumayaw siya, nasa Instagram ko, lalagay ko yun.
Pero na-video ko yung sa kanya. Nakita nyo naman kanina. So ngayon, pupunta kami sa next stop. Ang ganda kasi late night na, it's 10:42. And we are walking along the streets of Havana. And frankly, colonial buildings ito from the Spanish era. Yung architecture is pretty much similar to when you're walking around the streets of Intramuros, but maybe a bit safer. So when we're going to the next stop, ang next stop namin is a place that specializes in Mojito, our last stop. Nasa kalye kami. So crazy. Baka tapusin ko na yung video ko dito. Everyone's enjoying. This is the last stop. Baka maglakad-lakad kami ng konti. I just wanna say, Cuban people or party people, they know how to make music, they know how to have fun, and they know how to party. Ciao!
Food tour na kami. Good morning!
Private market. So sabi nila sometimes prices can get very expensive.